Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am going to do a hair care and hairstyling video today. So without further ado, let's start with the video and I will show you what I'm going to do today to take care of my hair and how I'm going to style them afterwards. Okay guys, so the first thing that I'm going to do today is to apply a hair mask. I'm going to make an avocado hair mask. My hair has been feeling dry recently and they have been kind of needing a mask, so I decided to apply it today. I have taken half avocado and I'm scooping it out. Avocado is full of benefits and it improves hair texture, it makes the hair look shinier and so much more. So I'm mixing 1 spoon of honey in it. Honey is very moisturizing, it smoothens the hair and my hair has been feeling kind of dry, so I think they will benefit from honey. Lastly, I am adding some coconut oil to the mixture. Coconut oil is good for scalp and it's very moisturizing. And now is the time to mix it all up. It was not easy to mix it because everything was kind of frozen from keeping it in the fridge. So I added 2 spoons of milk to it. Finally, I was able to mix them after some time. And now I've got the mask with me and I'm going to put it in my hair. I'm going to apply it with my hand onto my scalp and the hair length. It is essential to cover your hair length in the mask as well to get the best results out of it. So I'm going to repeat the process and cover all my hair with the mask. After applying the mask to all of my hair, I'm going to put the hair up in a bun and then I'm going to cover them with a plastic wrap for better absorption. Plastic wrap is going to generate heat and the mask is going to get absorbed better. Okay guys, so I have washed my hair and I let them air dry for some time and now I'm going to style my hair. This is my go-to hairstyle that I do, which is a blow dry. So I'm going to share that with you today. I start off by spraying heat protection onto my hair just to avoid the damage caused by all the styling tools that we use, First of all, I'm running a brush through my hair to detangle them. It also makes the blow dry a little bit easier. And once that is done, I'm going to grab my bangs and blow dry them first. For blow dry, I use a round brush like this. I'm going to place my hair above the brush and blast hot air onto them. My blow dryer is from Hot Tools, by the way. I'm going to put it on a medium setting and blow dry the bangs from front and back. With the help of a velcro roller, I secure my bangs in place while I do rest of my hair. This way my bangs are out of my face and they do not bother me anymore. Now it's time to do rest of the hair and I'm going to do that in sections. Going to clip away some of the hair and then I'll work on the rest of the sections. By the way, my hair feels really good after doing that mask. So I'm going to grab sections from my hair and again going to blow dry them downwards. I'll go over my hair a few times to dry them out completely before releasing the hair. I wait for them to cool a little bit before I release them, and this is how they are looking. I'm going to do the same steps on the other side as well. I come from back all the way to the front, doing the same process, going over hair a few times and waiting for them to cool a little bit before I release them. And now this is one side done completely. I like the look it's giving to my hair, clean, smooth look. Now quickly going to do the other half of my hair. This is the way I do my hair and this has been helping me basically. Blow dry is something which is not that easy to learn and I'm not an expert yet, but I'm sharing with you what I know and what works for me. So this is how my hair has been looking. I mostly let them be like this. For the final step, I add a few sprays of dry shampoo onto my hair. This way they last me a little bit longer and it gives some texture to the hair as well. And now I'm just working in the hairspray. And lastly, I'm going to let my bangs loose. And fixing them the way I want, and that's pretty much it. This is how the hair are looking. They definitely feel better after doing the mask. Let's try a better view here. I like how they look and feel. So that's all for today's video. I hope you try this mask and like it, and I'll see you in my next one. Take care and bye bye.